Okay, welcome back. Starting a new project. It's actually about 4 in the afternoon. We're just kind of getting started here. But we're doing a limestone wall around this flagpole in the back here. I would say overall it's about 60 feet long. It's going to be 3 layers. Stepped up. We just took out some dead trees that were here. Got our mats all set up. There's Andrew. Not doing anything. But we got the E60 with the rototilt on this job. And about 40 tons of limestone boulder. So tomorrow we're gonna be digging this thing out. A little bit of a crown here. We gotta cut this down and get some stone in there. Get this wall set. Okay, it's the next day now. We got this thing dug out. We got our drainage #1 clears in there as a base layer. This is just gonna help us shim it up. It's not really adding much structure here. So we got that all set level with our transit there, you see on the right. So this wall is 100 feet long on the bottom course. It's gonna be 50 feet on the second course and then 25 feet on the third, kind of stacked up in a pyramid type thing. So we got the boulders here. We're gonna go separate those and start getting these things kind of locked up in place. All right, so here's our boulders. We're gonna start moving them with the E60 here. Get them kind of separated by size so we can see what we're working with. Is this camera clean? Your shovel, we got to shim this thing up a little bit. Okay. I'm going to try to just pick up one side so we can get some stone underneath it. We want to get this row as close to being perfect as possible because they come with a clock. too. Wall to that stake should be 12 feet.
I got one.
Okay, 12 feet. What the hell's that thing?
Did you move those?
Yes. 12 foot.
So it's 8.
That's 12 now.
This one's in your door.
No, 13. Where's 13? Where your thumb is? Center of the wall.
That's 13 feet.
How about putting a pink flag? 18 foot off, center of wall.
Which pink flag? Well, hang on. Your line's coming this way, though. You follow that white line?
Well, what's that? What's the center of the pad? Because we haven't got it. It's sticking to the pad.
.13 following that white line is center. Okay. Maybe we're just off a little bit.
I mean, we put the stone right in the center of the damn thing.
Right, and he's got a vertical white line here. 13 would put you.
That's 25 foot. It's the distance. Okay.
Well done.
Well, this is going to wrap up this stone wall project. This was quite the headache. We've been here 2.5 weeks on this. And only about 3 days we're actually putting this wall together. The other days we're getting this lawn restored. It was so wet and mushy that right here the machine would sink. The machine would sink going this way. We ended up taking some trees out back and kind of cleaned up out there with some trees that were down. And then about midway through the project, in fact, we had just graded about here that way. Overnight we had an inch of rain. It came back and this was all underwater. So we aborted the mission for about 5 days and just got back to it now this week. Got it done. It's not the prettiest thing right now, but it'll run for being mid-November. So lots of shredded soil we put in here, 5 tandems of soil, probably 30 cubic yards of screen topsoil just to dress this up and straw it. So that'll wrap up this one. We ended up putting soil behind the wall and kind of bringing it up because you could see through each hole and it wasn't really good looking. So we opted to bring some soil in and raise it up in the back. So there's a slope coming down off the back now. It kind of tears down as it goes. So that'll wrap this project up. It's the end of November now, so really mushy, but we got it done, so she'll be good to go next year. This is actually a memorial to her father that was a veteran of some kind. I don't know exactly what branch he was in, but she wanted to do something with this flag. They're supposed to put lighting on it as well, light up the wall at night and lighting on this flagpole. So it'll look good, and that'll wrap up this project. See ya.